Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review and tutorial on the new COVERGIRL Vitalist Collection. COVERGIRL about a month ago sent me this giant, enormous package of all of their newest products, and the Vitalist Collection was included. So I wanted to do a review on all these products and show you guys how I use these products on my face. I also picked up the new COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. I've heard so many positive, great things about this, so I wanted to try it out for myself. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on this collection, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off by hydrating my skin, and I'm going to play with these new Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing lotions, and this comes in two different colors. So this one is called Daybreak, which is going to be kind of a champagne golden color. And this darker one is called Sun-Kissed, which is going to be more of a bronze tone. Make sure you shake this up really well. The color I'm going to use for myself is Daybreak. And I'm just going to apply this with my fingers. So this lotion is a lightweight moisturizer with vitamins E, B3, and B5, and this gives your skin a naturally hydrated, luminous glow. So I already put some primer on. Now I'm actually going to color correct. Normally I don't color correct, but I have so much going on with my skin right now. I'm actually seeing an esthetician about it, and I'm probably gonna see a dermatologist, but I got a lot going on. So I need to color correct because I have a lot of redness just from breakouts and scars. So I'm going to try this palette that COVERGIRL sent. This is the Trublend Pre-Touching Palette. Has the lavender, green, and yellow for color correcting shades, and I'm going to use this green one just to cancel out some of this redness. Now that I'm all marked up, I'm going to move on to the foundation, and I actually purchased this foundation today. I couldn't figure out which color I would be, so I just picked up two, and I think I'm actually going to mix these two together. And this is the Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is a lightweight full coverage makeup, and it hydrates and includes SPF 20, which is amazing, and it's oil free. The colors that I picked up were buff beige, and then this one is medium beige. So I'm going to mix these two, and hopefully it will be my color. So this is a liquid foundation that has vitamins E, B3, B5, and also SPF 20 to protect your skin. There's also special antioxidants and a vitamin complex. So I like the coverage of the foundation. I feel like it sits really nicely on the skin. It doesn't feel too heavy. I did use a lot of foundation, so I used the Beauty Blender just to kind of pat away any excess. But I do see some spots that I do want to cover, so I'm actually going to try the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Concealer. So this is going to be a full coverage concealer. It's lightweight, and this is going to be a twist up pen. So I don't know the names or the numbers of these colors because the ones they sent, they don't have any names or numbers on here, but if I figure out the color, I'll put it down in the description box. I'm going to use the darker one that they sent, and I'm just going to use this on my cheeks just to give me a little coverage on those darker areas that I have from the scars. I feel like that concealer hardly did anything for me. I don't know if it was because it's the wrong color or the formula is just too thin for the coverage I need. So hopefully when I put a powder on, it will give me a little bit more coverage, but I'm going to move on to underneath the eye area, and I'm actually going to use another color, and again, I don't know what color this is, but I'm going to try this underneath my eye area just to brighten it up, and hopefully this will work better under the eye versus on the face. So I do really like this concealer for under the eye area. It's a really lightweight formula, and it looks really smooth under my eyes. It doesn't look heavy or cakey, so I will be using this for under the eyes, but probably not so much on the face just because I need a lot of coverage. If you don't need a lot of coverage, then it should be perfect for any, blemishes or anything because it is a lightweight formula, but I just need a little bit more coverage. So I went in with a banana powder that I have, and I just use this to brighten up that area and keep that concealer in place. Now I'm going to set the rest of my complexion with a powder, and I'm going to try out the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Powder. This only comes in 4 shades, which is interesting, so I don't know how many complexions or skin tones that it will cover, but I have these two right here. So this one is buff beige, this one is medium beige. They look very pink in the pan, and I'm definitely more of a neutral golden undertone. So I'm going to go with the lighter one, buff beige, and we'll see how this one works.
So as you can see, I started applying this powder on my face, and all of a sudden it started turning really muddy and it looked very pink on my face. So I wasn't sure if I was very happy with this color.
Okay, I definitely do not like that powder. It made me look very pink, and I feel like I have like a 6 o'clock shadow right here. I don't know if I could fix this. I'm gonna try the darker shade. See if that like makes it a little bit more golden, but I feel like it's just making it worse. I don't know if I could save this. Okay, I'm gonna have to put some of this powder down my neck. There's no going back now. I'm gonna try to make this work with some bronzer. The powder doesn't look bad, it's just the wrong color, and I don't know why they only made 4 shades. I feel like I have one of those like sunglass tans where like it's really light here and really dark everywhere else, but I don't feel like starting over. So I'm gonna make this work with some bronzer, and hopefully I could save my face. Yeah, we'll see what I can do.
So I just went in with a bronzer on my temples, hollow of my cheeks, and on my jaw and neck, and then I went in with a contour powder and a little blush for more definition on my cheeks.
Okay, so this is what my face looks like so far with bronzer, contour, blush. In my camera, it doesn't look that great, but I don't know how it will look on my video, so we'll see. But I'm gonna move on to the highlighter, and this is the Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighter, and it is a cream product. I have actually used this before, and I do really like this. And the color I'm going to use, I believe this is number 5. So this is definitely a finger-friendly product. So I'm just gonna apply this with my fingertips on the high points of my cheeks. And then, depending on how it looks, I might layer on the number 2 highlighter, which is gonna be a lot lighter, just to add some brightness, but we'll see. I'm gonna play with it.
I'm just using this cream highlighter with my fingers. It's very easy to work with. I love that it's finger friendly, and it's very buildable, and it's gonna give you a natural highlight. And then I'm going in with this lighter shade just to brighten up certain areas on my face.
Okay, now I'm gonna move on to lips so I can give a little color to my face. Actually, not really color, I lied. I'm gonna do a nude, but it will just kind of help things out a little bit.
I'm just using a nude lip pencil to define my lips, and then I'm going in with this new COVERGIRL liquid lipstick, which is a beautiful nude, and I'm also going to top it off with a little gloss.
Last but not least, I'm going to set my makeup, and I'm using the COVERGIRL Look Lockup. This is an all-day setting mist. I have been using this for probably a month now, and I do really, really like this setting spray, and it smells so good, so I'm just gonna lock everything in. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. There were some hits and misses to this collection. I did really like the cream corrector, also the foundation, the setting spray, and also the Vitalist Healthy Glow cream liquidy highlighters, and also the lotion I really, really liked. The misses were the concealer. I think just for me personally, because I like more of a thicker full coverage concealer, so it might work for someone else who doesn't need as much coverage as me, because they are very lightweight and they do feel very smooth on your face. And also another miss would probably be the powders, because there's only 4 colors available and 2 of the middle shades run very pink. those didn't work for me. Just because they don't work for me doesn't mean it won't work for you, so I still encourage you guys to try out some of the products in this collection. Alright, so that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have tried some of the products in this video, then let me know your thoughts down below, and I have many more videos coming using some COVERGIRL products, so stay tuned. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.